So, what are we gonna do?
Go to the museum.
Kim just bought this yearly pass for the museum, like just a few minutes ago. So we're gonna go to the museum, check it out. It's called Denver Museum of Nature and Science. So if none of you have seen it, we'll try and give you a good tour. Every weekend they have like new, what do they call it? It's almost like a new tour, whether it's about history, present day, about a music group. There's always some type of a tour going on. So we'll take a look at it when we get there. And plus there's this kid area for the kids to go and play. So, are you excited? He's not excited.
Yes, I am.
No, he's not.
Yes, I am.
Oh. No, he's not.
Yes, I am.
Hi. You say hi. She's really excited. She kind of doesn't know, but she's about to know. And then she'll be excited. So we're getting ready to go to the museum. Lucy, say hi. Say hi. Don't touch it. Ooh, close up on Lucy. Okay, so when I was telling you earlier about different tours every single weekend or once a month, they're actually called exhibits. That's what I meant to say.
I don't think it's every month though.
They always switch it.
I know, but it's not every month.
I know, but in my previous video I said tour.
Oh, no.
And what I meant was exhibits.
Yes.
So this time that we're going, there's a certain exhibit. I saw it online. I forgot what it was. Do you remember what it was?
It was like a Dior or something.
It wasn't the Dior.
I don't remember. I don't know. I don't keep up with that thing, but I know what you mean. Yeah.
I don't keep up with it either, but there was an exhibit, and you can even pre-buy tickets, pre-advance ticket sales, but I don't think we're going to the exhibit.
Look at the cool dude back there with his Batman hat. I want to show it to her because she's going to try to grab it. We're going to stop by a gas station for a quick little pick-me-up. Right?
Yeah.
For the car and for Parker.
For gas, and I'm going to get a Red Bull.
Girls, if you don't want to pay for gas, just wait until your husband or boyfriend fills them up for you.
He said hi to me.
Please, are you cool? Ooh, cool guy.
We're here. We're at the Science Museum.
I'm like so.
I can't even walk with my legs.
Ooh, it'll be fun.
This leg.
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, they have a store.
You're all set. Have fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem. That one is better, I think. That one, the one is kind of like employee stuff.
Oh, it is? Leonardo da Vinci, that was the exhibit that I was talking about.
Okay, you guys go.
Yeah.
I go first.
I hear somebody.
Now we can go to the back.
Okay, come here. Come over here.
Good afternoon, guests of Space Odyssey. Over here by the box by your office, you guys have those arms in the air. Here past the description of experiments with a vacuum chamber. So you can see what it might be like on the surface of Mars without a spacesuit.
Wow, Lucy, what are you doing?
Follow me down the ramp to the experiments bar.
Where's Daddy, Lucy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Nyamuk kakak ini dulu.
There you are. You want to go see Amanda do some experiments?
Whoa.
And intense pressure squeezes the core, igniting the infernal
Lucy, look.
nuclear fusion that makes stars shine.
What are you doing?
Stars burn.
What you doing?
Stars have different destinies. Some slowly grow old. Others die young, fiery deaths. Some become black holes. Now you
Lucy, what are you doing? It's a Hattie. Yaman mo digi.
I can't even do it. Oh.
Ooh, gems and minerals, my favorite. Look at those, Blaze. Look at those rocks.
Those look like rock crunches.
Don't move. You want to go push that button?
Up or down?
Up. Okay, push it.
I hope we don't get stuck in
Maybe this. No.
Watch your feet. Oh, yep, you're right. Ooh, Discovery Zone. There's got to be a stroller area, right?
Yeah, you park it right out there.
Okay, you ready to go play some toys? Oh, yes.
This is why we came here, right, Daddy?
Yes, Mommy. There's a lot of activity.
You could just park there.
I will.
Whoa, that,
Alright, get up.
whoa, look how.
Okay, let's go in here and take a peek. Come on.
Oh, here's one something.
Lazy, look. This place is so cool. What is this stuff? Is this dinosaur stuff?
We got brush back and see.
I'm gonna go look through this. Lazy, look, there's water stuff over there.
Did you put it in her mouth?
I'll get it. Lazy, you wanna go play with that water? Come on, Lulu, let's go.
Lulu, let's go see everything. Come on, guys.
Keep going. Oh.
Look, here's puzzle battles.
Come on, Lazy. Oh, look at all this fun stuff. Yep.
They're like all soaked.
They're kind of wet, but... Don't touch it. You want to come over here? Just be careful because it's slippery.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm right here. Whoa, you can put the balls in there.
Where?
This will be fun. Woo! That's pretty cool.
Oh, it's good in here. You can't put it in there. Some got stuck.
Well, don't put it in there, buddy. It gets stuck in there. Come over here, buddy. You can come play over here. Look at these. Does this move? Oh my goodness. Waterway.
Oh, I'm gonna try this one. Can I check on?
Yeah, of course, you can play. This looks really fun. Gosh, it looks so real. So this is Lucy's first time. Look at that. Expect to get wet. She's pretty stoked.
I know, her stomach
It's okay.
is like wet.
I'll follow you, buddy. You keep going doing whatever. Okay, I'm just... Okay, the museum is closing. We shut it down. Lucy's first time. Whee! But we'll go, come back. In like a week, Blaze has his school field trip, which is here. Go touch it. Whoa, look at all those dinosaurs. Leonardo da Vinci. I'm gonna hold myself back from this store here.
They're not even cold. They're looking now. I'm leaving.
Here's where we came in. And now we're gonna go back out. Push that button on the left. There you go. Good job, thank you.
No, Lazy, go. You don't have to
Yeah.
go first. Just
I kind of want to.
I have a question, Lizzie. What was your favorite part?
The ladybug because it's slide.
Of all the things we did, the ladybug was your favorite part?
And
No,
and
there's
the-
got to be more.
And the space. What was that other thing? Oh, I like the brushes. I like the balls.
Did you like the
and
water?
I like the blaster.
Did you like the water area?
And I like that.
We'll get it later.
Oh, get in the car.
Okay, we'll get it in the car. There's downtown. What is that?
Wait.
Yeah.
In case you get hurt or someone's scaring you, then you can call that policeman that answers you.
And that, my friends, is the museum.